Firstly, start by laying the tabletop face down so the cleats are upwards. Next step, take the A-frame leg and butt them up against the cleat. Use your fingers to make the leg sit in the correct place on each side of the top. Screw the legs using the 90mm structural screws provided. There are 2 pilot holes in the top brace of the leg where they need to be screwed. Next, we're going to place the seats onto the bottom brace of the legs and push the seat right up against the legs. The reason we do this is to ensure that the legs are nice and square, ready to fix the diagonal braces on. Moving on to the diagonal braces, we are going to fix them to the middle slat of the tabletop, parasol hole slat. Line them up using the angle pushed against the tabletop and then sliding it up to the bottom brace of the leg. Then screw the diagonal braces in using the 65mm decking screws provided. The diagonals are also pre-drilled, so you will have 4 holes to screw into the diagonal. We advise putting 1 screw in the bottom, then making sure it has stayed straight, then putting a screw into the top hole. Then finish it off with another 2 screws, 1 each end. While screwing the diagonals, we advise to only go flush with the screw, as sinking too much will push the diagonal a little further along. Once the diagonals are secured, continue to remove the seats and place them to one side. Now we are ready to flip the table back over onto its feet. Once you have done this, place the seats back onto the bottom brace. We like to line the seats up by lining up the end point of the bottom brace with the end of the seat cleat, as this maximises room between the seat and the legs. Now we are going to take the final 4 structural screws and secure the seats by fixing them using the pre-drilled holes in the bottom brace. Just screw in until it has closed any gap that you may have between the seat cleat and the bottom brace of the leg. Continue this all the way round. There you have your heavy-duty picnic table.